everybody, welcome back to another video. So today I will be doing the Rocksbox jewelry unboxing. I've been subscribed to Rocksbox for about a year now and I absolutely love Rocksbox. It's one of the best subscription boxes I'm actually subscribed to. So yeah, if you don't know what Rocksbox is, it's a $21 monthly subscription box, and you kind of go on the website and you handpick like all the jewelry that you like, and then a stylist will actually like kind of pick out 3 pieces of jewelry to send to you for the month to try out. You can wear them, see if you like them or not, and if you don't like them you can return them, and then if you actually do like them you get the chance to purchase it. The $21 goes to the jewelry piece that you choose to keep. So yeah, you have the chance to either keep your box or just keep 1 or 2 items and send the rest of it back, which is really cool. And then it does come in like this really cute resealable bag with a return label and everything, so everything is ready for you. So each month they actually give you a choice to like switch out any of the items, or you can just have it be a surprise. Me personally, I like it for a surprise, so I don't like look at the little sneak peeks and I don't switch anything out. So I'm super excited to see what I got this month, so let's just dive right into what we got. Each box comes like this. It comes with a cute little bow on and everything is inside packaged nicely and secure, so you are sure to not have anything broken. And if something is broken, you can contact customer service and just let them know like, hey, I received an item that was broken, and they'll just take care of everything. Their customer service is actually really great. So yeah, let's just open this up. So when you first open it, it comes with this right here that tells you everything that will be included in your box. It says time to shine. You open it up and it has all the 3 jewelry pieces in it, but I'm not gonna look at that. And then it also comes with like a little card that shows you how to take care of the jewelry pieces. And then the actual jewelry is in here. It's all packaged and everything. Super excited. So let's see. Each item comes packaged separately in these cute little jewelry pouches. So I'm just gonna grab this first one right here. And oh, it's so cute. It's like a ring. Oh, I love it. So this is a gold ring. I'll do like close-ups of every item and stuff too. Oh, and oh, I love it. Okay, so this is what the ring looks like on. Super cute. It has like a little bit of like a crisscross, and then one of the crisscrosses has the diamonds going down it, but it's really pretty. I love it. It's super cute. I'll put the price of each of these jewelry pieces on the screen somewhere, and then at the end we can add up to see how much it costs if I was to purchase everything. The next item right here is a pair of earrings. Oh, it's so pretty. So this is the brand Perry Street, I think. I hope it is. I don't want to be wrong. But they're just these cute teardrop rose gold studded earrings. Super cute. Last thing in here is a necklace, and this is so cute. So I was actually eyeing this necklace and hoping that I got it, but it's just a really cute gold chained necklace, and it says mama on it. Super adorbs. I love it. Oh my gosh. So this month was a really good box. I love each of the pieces in here, so I'm gonna quickly add everything up just to show you guys how much it is. Oh, it already comes on here. Okay, so for the retail price of all 3, it's $175, and then you get the member discount, which is cool. So they subtract $27 from the member discount, and if you buy all 3 of them, it's another $10 deducted, so the total price is $138. So yeah, that is it for this video. I really enjoyed everything that came in this box. These pieces are so cute, so adorable, and yeah, if you are interested in Rocksbox, I will leave their link down below in the description box. You guys can go ahead and check them out. So that is it for now, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.